Okay, so welcome back. And now in this example here, we're going to analyze this graph, the graph of this function here. So we've got a quadratic, and notice that there's no x term. So there's no x term, which means that a, in this case, is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, and c is equal to 1. So now, since there's no x term, b equals 0, right? Which means the x term for the vertex, right? Remember, negative b over 2a. Well, if b is 0, then the x term is automatically 0, right? And since a cannot equal 0, well then we get x equals 0, which means then the y value is 1. So the vertex is going to be at 0, 1. Okay? Now we also know that this vertex is going to be a minimum point. Why? Because a is positive, which means that it opens upward, and the parabola opens upward, and the vertex is at 0, 1. We have a minimum point. Also, there are no x-intercepts because the point lies above the x-axis. So since the vertex is above the x-axis and the graph opens upward, then there are no x-intercepts. Now, and in this case here, the vertex is on the y-axis. Okay, that's another thing. So the vertex is the y-intercept as well. And that's it. So if we sketch this graph, oops, it doesn't look straight. Let's do it better. Let's use this one here. Okay, so we're at 0, 1. Right? And it opens upward. So it's going to go through 1, 2 and negative 1, 2. Oops. Like this. And so it'll look something like that. So all I need was 3 points. 1, 2, 3. These are fine, and we can sketch the curve of the graph. That's it. See you next time.